Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in the 2005 F150 King Ranch with the 5.4 Triton engine. And honestly, this has to be one of the easiest air filter changes in design that I've ever experienced. So on top of the engine is the airbox. By flipping these two clamps, the drawer or housing slides out and you're able to easily remove the filter. And just to review some of the key benefits of changing your air filter, it increases your fuel efficiency, it reduces emissions, and it prolongs your engine life by trapping debris which can damage internal engine parts. It's also a great habit to clean the housing as much as possible before inserting the new filter. So I'm just going to take this to the side of the house and wash it with the hose. I'm also going to wipe the inside of the airbox to get out any loose debris, and just be really careful with this because you don't want to push any dirt inside the airbox. Remember, the point is to remove, not insert. Now let's compare this one to what a new one looks like. And look at that difference in air filters. This engine is definitely going to breathe a lot easier. Now to put it back together, simply place the air filter in the clean housing and just slide the drawer back into the air box and clip it back on. There you have it. Changing the air filter on a 2005 5.4 Triton has to be one of the easiest and quickest maintenance items that you can perform. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.